Good morning students. Today we will start with the chapter number 2 of maths, fractions and decimals. As you have done this in previous classes as well, in class 6 and class 5. So I just first recall or revise the things which you have already studied. Okay. First of all, types of fraction. So you know there are 3 types of fraction. First is proper fraction. First one is proper fraction. In proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. That means numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay, that is your proper fraction. Example is 3 upon 5, 2 upon 8, 1 upon 4. These are the example of proper fraction. Then you have come along the improper fraction. Improper fraction means the fractions which have the numerator bigger than the denominator. So numerator, I am just writing n and d. So numerator is bigger than the denominator, and examples are 7 upon 5, 3 upon 2. Okay, these are some examples of improper fraction. And the third one is mixed number fraction. Mixed number fraction is, it has the combination of it has the combination of a whole number as well as the fraction. So the combination of a whole number and the fraction is it goes like this: 3 1 upon 2, then 2 3 upon 5, then 7 8 11 upon 13. These are some examples of mixed number fraction. So here you have already studied these 3 things in last class and the previous class. So after that, there are some more like fraction and unlike fractions. So what are like fraction and what are unlike fractions? So I am writing it here. Like fractions are the fractions having the same denominator. Like fractions means the fractions having a same denominator, the group of fractions. Okay, so group of fractions having same denominator. Example, I am giving you example here: 3 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 1 upon 5. See, if you can see over here, they are having a same denominator called 5. Okay, so they are called like fractions. Now unlike fractions, as you know that like fraction having same denominator, the unlike fractions have different denominators. So group of fractions having different denominators. Examples, 2 upon 7, 1 upon 5, 3 upon 4. So as you can see, in these fractions you can see the denominators are different. So these are like fractions and unlike fractions. Now equivalent fractions, you have studied the concepts of equivalent fractions as well. So what is equivalent fractions? Now equivalent fractions are, 1 minute, the fraction if I will add if I will multiply the numerator and denominator of any fraction with the same number, I will get the equivalent fraction. How? I will explain you that. Suppose I have the fraction 2 upon 5. If I will multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number, that means 3, then I will get 6 upon 15. So 2 upon 5 and 6 upon 15 are called equivalent fractions. For example, if I suppose I have the same number, same fraction 2 upon 5, and if I will multiply 2 upon 5 with another numbers like 2, with the numerator and denominator, if I will multiply with the 2, I will get 4 upon 10. So here 2 upon 5, 6 upon 15 and 4 upon 10, all these 3 fractions are called equivalent fractions. That means to get the equivalent fractions, you must multiply the numerator and denominator with the same number. Okay. So here you can get equivalent fractions like fractions are here 2 upon 5, then you can write equivalent sign equals to sign here 6 upon 15 and 4 upon 10. Okay. Now if you have remember the fill in the blanks kind of things have been come around in class 6. For example, I will give you like 2 upon 5 is equal to 6 and there is a box here. If you have remembered, this kind of activity this kind of exercise has been there in the class 6 and you have solved it. So these are actually the concept of equivalent fraction. Okay. So all these concepts you have already studied in the class 6. Now you also have been studied addition and subtraction of fractions. You have already studied the addition and subtraction of the fractions. So here in exercise 2.1 you have the same thing, addition and subtraction of the fraction. So it can be the addition of like fraction or a addition of unlike fraction. It can be subtraction of like fraction and subtraction of unlike fractions. So we'll start with the exercise 2.1 and now please write along with me exercise 2.1 question number 1. Please write along with me now. Okay. So in this solve, first question is solve and the first one A is here 2 minus 3 upon 5. Okay, this is your number 2 minus 3 upon 5. Now how will you solve this number? You will think, teacher, one is the whole number and another is the fraction. But if you remember, I have already studied, I already taught you that whenever there is a whole number, it has the denominator 1. So this number can be written as 2 upon 1. Any whole number has the denominator 1. Got it? So here 2 means 2 upon 1 minus 3 upon 5. This is your conversion of these fraction, this operation to this operation. Now you have 2, now you will get the 2 denominator 1 and 5. Now you can see these 2 are not like fractions, they are called unlike fractions. So unlike fractions have the, if you want to add or subtract the unlike fractions, you need to find out the LCM of the fraction. So LCM of these two are simply the multiplication, because 1 is the unique number and 5 is the prime number. So you need to multiply both the number and you will get the LCM 5. Okay, this is the way. Okay, if you think, teacher, how can you say LCM is 1? So if you have 1 in denominator, then the other number you have to multiply with 1 and you will get the fraction. You will get the LCM. Okay, now LCM is 5. Now you need to make both the number convert it into like fraction. So to convert into like fraction, you have to multiply, to convert into like fractions, you make this 2 as a denominator 5. So multiply 2 upon 1. Now you have to multiply these numbers such as the denominator will get 5. How will you multiply? So with the multiplying the denominator and the numerator with the same number, that is 5. આપણે નીચે denominator 5 લાવવાનો છે, LCM લાવવાનો છે. So for that you have to multiply both the numbers with the 5. So 2 5s are 10. Now here 3 upon 5, here already the denominator is 5 itself. So you don't need to find out the equivalent fraction, it is the same number, 3 upon 5. Now you can do the operation, that is subtraction. 10 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5, that will be 7 upon 5. Now 7 upon 5, if you can see, it is a improper fraction. So to convert it into mixed number fraction, you need to divide 7 with the 5. If you have remembered that conversion of mixed number to improper and improper to mixed. So to convert the improper into mixed number, you have to divide it. So this is your answer. This one is a QRD, right? So that is 1 2 upon 5. This is your answer of the first question. Okay, now second one. It is very easy, children. Now B. B is 4 plus 7 upon 8. Again, see children, here 4 is a whole number, so it has the denominator 1. So 4 upon 1 plus 7 upon 8. Now you remember that in previous example only I have told you, when there is a one denominator is when there is a denominator is 1 and other number is there, then the LCM is the multiplication of both the number. So LCM is equal to 1 multiplied by 8 is 8. And now if you can see, you have to write what you have to do to convert into like fractions. So to convert into like fraction, you have to keep the denominator 8 in the both fraction. So to make denominator 8 in the both fraction, what you have to do in the first fraction, you have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the 8. Denominator में 8 लावा माटे तमारे 1 ने 8 जोड़े मल्टीप्लाई करવું પડશે, 4 ने पण 8 સાથે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવું પડશે. So that means 8 4s are 32. Okay, and 7 upon 8 is the same number because 8 is already there in the denominator. So you don't need to convert it into like fraction. So now simply add these two numbers, 32 upon 8 plus 7 upon 8 is equal to 8. 32 plus 7, that is 39 upon 8. Now this is again improper fraction, you have to convert it into proper fraction. So to convert into mixed number fraction, you have to do this division, okay. So 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, so 8 4s are 32 and the answer is 4 7 upon 8 is the answer. 4 7 upon 8 is the answer of the question, okay. So here is the second question is done. Now I have already taught you how you have to convert it into mixed number, how you have to convert it into like fraction and how you have to find out the LCM. Now the third one, 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. Let us do that also. Now children, I will tell you that you must have remembered that if in the denominator, if there is a prime number, okay, if denominator has the prime numbers, then to find out a LCM you have to multiply both the numbers. So here also 5 is a prime number, 7 is also a prime number. So to find out the LCM you have to multiply both the number, that is 5 7s are 35. So LCM is 35. See, every time whenever you are having unlike fractions in the addition and subtraction, what you have to do is you have to find out the LCM and denominator must have the LCM, okay, that is the condition. So here 35 is the LCM. Now you have to make these two number, like denominator must have 35. So what you have to do to get the 35 in the denominator, what you have to do, both the number you have to multiply with the 7, correct, because 5 7s are 35, then 3 7s are 21. Similarly, to get this 35 in the second fraction, to get the 35 in the second fraction as the denominator, again you have to multiply with the 5, because 7 5s are 35, 2 5s are 10. So you are having two numbers having the same denominators, that are called like fractions. Now you have to simply add these two numbers, 21 upon 35 plus 10 upon 35. Okay, now if you are adding this number, 35 is the denominator, 21 plus 10 is equal to 31 upon 35. Now this is proper fractions. So you don't need to convert it into improper fraction. Okay. Now I want to give you a homework. A homework is question number 4, like question number 1. In that, question number 4 and 5 is in your homework. Let us see, question number 4, 5 and 6 is in your homework, 7 I am doing for you, okay, and that is your last in the question number 1. Then we will start with the question number 2. Now as I told you, 4, 5, 6 is in your homework, and 7 1 I am teaching you, that is of mixed number fraction. Sorry, minus 3 5 upon 8. Now here children, you have mixed number fraction. So first of all, your first step is to convert it into improper fraction. So to convert mixed number into improper, what you have to do? You have to multiply with the denominator. The whole number should multiply with the denominator and then add it the numerator. So 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 1 17 upon 2 minus, again you have to multiply with the denominator, the whole number multiply with the denominator, plus add with the numerator. So 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 5 29 So this is your improper, convert into improper fraction. Now children, every time I am doing the same thing, because now you don't need to add steps for convert it to, that you have done is in class 5 and class 6, that you have to write step by step. Here you have to omit some steps and do it by simpler form. Okay. So here again we got the two numbers having two fractions having different denominators. So they are called unlike fractions. So to get the like fractions, you have to find out LCM. So find out LCM. Now here both the numbers are not a prime number, even both the numbers are not, you can say that they are not consecutive numbers as well. So you have to find out the LCM like this division method. So again 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2, 2 1s are, that is 1 only, and 2 2s are 4, then 2, 1, 1. Now we have 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. So 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 is equal to 8. So LCM is equal to 8 here. So in the first one, 17 upon 2. Now you have to make the denominator 8. So to get the denominator 8, you have to multiply both the fractions, both the numerator and denominator with the 8. Sorry, with the 4. So 2 4s are 8, 17 4s are 68. You must remember the table of 17. Okay, and this 29 upon 8 is as it is, because it has the denominator 8. So now both you are getting both the number. Now you have to subtract it. 68 upon 8 minus 29 upon 8 is equal to 68 minus 29. You can do it here. 68 minus 29. Answer is 39 upon 8. Now again this is improper fraction. You have to convert it into mixed number fraction. So to convert into mixed number, 8 4s are 32, 7. So this is 4, 7 upon 8. So answer is 4, 7 upon 8. This is your answer for the last question of question number 1. Now we move on to the question number 2. In that also I will do one sum and I will give you one sum as a homework. Okay. So now question number 2. Every time if you are behind me, then you have to pause the video and then you can complete the work and then you continue with the video. So now question number 2, in that arrange following in the descending. Descending means bigger to smaller. Descending means bigger to smaller. Now I will do one and the rest, second one is in your homework. So first one is 2 upon 9, 2 upon 3 and 8 upon 21. So to get the, see now these again, these three numbers, these three fractions are unlike fractions. So to convert it into like fractions, you have to find out the LCM of the denominator. So LCM of the denominator is, now find out it, 9, 3, 21, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 1 and then 7, then again 7 1 1. So say 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 7. So here 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 7 is equal to 3 3s are 9, 7s are 63. So again we find out the LCM, which is 63. Now you have to convert these three fractions such that all the denominator get the 63. So for that you have to multiply the numerator and denominator with the, suppose 2 upon 9. So multiply the denominator and with 9 ના ટેબલમાં 63 ક્યાં આવે છે? So 9 7s are 63. So ઉપર પણ 7 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું. So 9 7s are 63, 2 7s are 14. એક નંબર મળી ગયો આપણને એક ફ્રેક્શન. નાઉ બીજું ફ્રેક્શન 2 upon 3. નાઉ 3 ના ટેબલમાં 63 ક્યાં આવે છે? You will think teacher 3 10s are 30. 63 તો ક્યાં આવતું નથી, right? So you'll think 23s are 60 and 21 3s are 63. So ઉપર અને નીચે બંને 21 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું છે બંનેને. So here થોડું મોટું કરી દઈએ આપણે, 21 21. So નીચે તો 63 આવી ગયું, ઉપર 21 2s are 42. See children, now I am telling you, every day you must remember or must recite the table of 1 to 25. અગર તમે નહીં કરો તો તમને આ બધા જે sums છે it will become difficult for you to solve. Okay, so please do that also. Now 21 8 upon 21. So now here 21 ને કોની જોડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ તો 63 આવે. So you will get here only 3 21s are. So here 21 3s are and 8 3s are 24. Now you are getting all these three with the same denominator. So I am doing it here for you. You are getting three numbers 1 2 and 3 numbers, 3 fractions having the same denominator. So it is like this: 14 upon 63, 42 upon 63 and 24 upon 63. Now you have to arrange these three in the descending order, that means bigger to smaller. So which one is bigger? 42 upon 63, because 42 is a bigger number. So it will be like 42 upon 63, then 24 upon 63, and the last one is 14 upon 63. Now you will think teacher આ તો 63 વાળો આવ્યો, આપણે તો ઓરિજિનલ તો આ છે, right? So first છે એ 42 upon 63 છે. So which is the original fraction? 2 upon 3. So first fraction is 2 upon 3. Then second fraction છે 24 upon 63. So which is the original? 28 upon 21. તો બીજું છે 8 upon 21. And the last one is 14 upon 63, which is 2 upon 9. So this is your answer. So according to steps you have to do the second one in the homework. So તમે આવી રીતે haphazardly નહીં કરવાનું. See what the way I have done, same way you have to do the second sum. Okay, so second sum is the homework. Complete this sum and then we move on to the question, next question. Okay, now question number 3. It's a magic square. Now you have done the magic square in the integers as well. Magic square means rectangle, horizontal and vertically. If you add the number, it will come the same answer. So that is again like fraction no છે. So you can do it as a homework. So I am not doing question number 3 for you. Now we will move on to the question number 4. So I am reading question 4 for you. A rectangular sheet of paper is 1 upon 2 centimeter long. So the length of a rectangular, question number 4, the length of the rectangular sheet is 12 1/2 centimeter. Okay, and it is 2/3 centimeter wide. So the width of the rectangular sheet is equal to 2/3 centimeter. Okay, and you have to find the perimeter of this. So perimeter, now I have already taught you in the previous class perimeter of a rectangle. So perimeter of a rectangle, the formula for it is 2 in bracket L plus B. 2 multiplied by L plus B. This is the perimeter of the rectangle. Now L means length, B means width. Now L and B is given already in this. Okay. Now how will you do this? So first of all 2 multiplied by L plus B. So first we have to 2 and a multiplication. Every time 2 multiply લખવું જ પડશે તમારે. Don't skip this point. Now L ની જગ્યાએ શું છે? 12 1/2 plus 10 2/3. બરાબર, આ તમારા બંને પેરીમીટર્સ છે, બંને મેઝરમેન્ટ છે. નાઉ બંને મેઝરમેન્ટ મિક્સ્ડ નંબરમાં છે, સો યુ હેવ ટુ કન્વર્ટ ઇટ ઇન્ટુ ઇમ્પ્રોપર ફ્રેક્શન્સ. સો ફર્સ્ટ 2 મલ્ટીપ્લાય તો રાખવાનું જ, એવરી ટાઈમ યુ નીડ ટુ કીપ 2 મલ્ટીપ્લાય, this should be there. Now first of all we have to convert it into mixed number, improper fraction. So 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 1 25/2 plus again multiply plus addition 10 3s are 30, 30 plus 2 32/3. Okay, so this is your improper fractions. Now here you can see that both the fraction are unlike fractions. So you have to convert it into like fractions. So to convert it to like fractions, you have to find the LCM of the denominator. Now here as you can see, both the number are prime numbers in the denominators, and whenever the numbers are prime number as well as the consecutive numbers. Consecutive means one after another, પછી 3 આવે. So these are called consecutive numbers. तो हमेशा याद रखो कि LCM of any two prime numbers or any two consecutive number is the product of that numbers. Product એટલે multiplication કરવાનું બંને નંબરનું, અને એ જે આન્સર આવે એ તમારો LCM હોય. So here LCM is 2 multiplied by 3. 2 3s are 6. So LCM is 6. Now again 2 multiplied by, now here you have to get this 6 in the denominator. તો 2 ને કોની જોડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ તો 6 આવે 3 જોડે, અને એવી જ રીતે ઉપર પણ 3 થી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું, પ્લસ અહીંયા 3 ને કોની જોડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ તો 6 આવશે 2 જોડે. So 3 2s are 6 and 32 2s are. Okay. Now 25 3s are 75. અહીંયા 2 મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશનમાં રહેશે જ હંમેશા. Here 6, here 25 3s are 75 plus અહીંયા નીચે પણ 6 આવશે, 32 2s are 64. Okay, now again બંનેને એડ કરવાના, ડિનોમિનેટર સેમ છે એટલે આ ઉપરના ન્યુમરેટરને એડ કરશો. So 75 plus 64. If you can add this number, you will get the answer 139. So 2 multiplied by 139/6. This is your answer. You can do it in the side rough work. So 75 plus 64, it's 139. Okay. Now હવે અહીંયા બહુ ટ્રિકી છે. 2 તમારા મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશનમાં છે, આ નંબરના આ ફ્રેક્શનની મલ્ટીપ્લિકેશનમાં 2 છે. તો ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ તમારે આ એનો મતલબ કે 2 times 139/6. સો 2 of તમને યાદ હોય તો ટુ ઓફ, યાદ હોય તો તમને જ્યારે ઓફ યુઝ કરીએ ત્યારે ટુને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું આની જોડે. હવે આ નંબર અને આ નંબર એકચ્યુઅલીમાં બંને એક ન્યુમરેટરમાં છે એક ડિનોમિનેટરમાં છે. તો આ બંને નંબરને તમે જુઓ તો આ બંને નંબરમાં કોમન નંબર કયો છે? તો 2 1 ઝા 2 અને 2 3 ઝા 6. એનો મતલબ કે 2ને આપણે 6ના પેલામાં ફેક્ટરમાં હોઈ શકે. સો 2 1 ઝા 2 એટલે કટ કરવાના છે આ બંનેને, 2 અને 6ને, કારણ કે આ એક ન્યુમરેટર, હોલ નંબર હંમેશા ન્યુમરેટરમાં હોય અને આ ડિનોમિનેટરમાં છે. સો યુ હેવ ટુ ક્રોસ ફેક્ટરાઇઝેશન કરો. તો ક્રોસ ફેક્ટરાઇઝેશન કરો ત્યારે તમને આ રીતનો આન્સર મળે. સો 2 1 ઝા 2, 2 3 ઝા 6. સો આન્સર ઇઝ 139/3. Now 139/3 is the, again it is improper fraction. So you have to convert it into convert it into mixed number fraction. So to convert into mixed number, I am just cutting down or rubbing above part of this sum. So to convert it into mixed number fraction, what you have to do is, suppose I am converting 139/3 into mixed number. 3 4 ज़ा 12, 3 6 ज़ा 18. So answer is 46 1/3. So 46 1/3 centimeter. So perimeter of a rectangular sheet is, answer is perimeter of rectangular sheet is equal to 46 1/3 centimeter. This is your answer of the question. Now question number 5. This is your answer. Now we will move on to the question number 5. I am reading it for you. Question number 5 is, find the perimeter of triangle ABE and the rectangle BCDE in this figure. Whose perimeter is greater? Now figure is given to you in the right hand side of the page. So I am just drawing figure for you for your sake. This kind of figure is given to you. A, B, C, D, E. Now here triangle ABE. So triangle ABE, this is 5/2 centimeter. Now this is 2 3/4 centimeter. BE is equal to, and AE is equal to 3 3/5 centimeter. Okay, and here the length of this is 7/6 centimeter. Okay, sorry, breadth of this rectangle. So this is your figure. Now first you have to find out the perimeter of triangle. So to find out triangle ABE, you have to add the things, right? So AB plus BE plus AE. AB is equal to 5/2 plus 2 5/2 centimeter, sorry, plus 2 3/4 centimeter plus 3 3/5 centimeter. You have to add these three. Now first of all you have to convert this mixed number into improper. So 5/2 as it is, plus 4 2 ज़ा 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11/4 plus 5 3 ज़ा 15, 15 plus 2, 15 plus 3 18, 18/5. Now all the three fractions are unlike fraction. You have to find the LCM. So to find LCM, I hope you know how to do this. So I am telling you to do by your own, okay, and then you can check the answer from my board. As you have, I think you have done it, and now you can see that the answer of this perimeter is 177 upon 20. Now you don't need to convert this into mixed number fraction, because in the later part of this question we need to compare both the perimeter. So please do not convert into, if you have converted, that's okay. If you do not if you have not converted the mixed number, you do not convert it, okay. So this is your answer. Now we have to find out the perimeter of a rectangle as well. So I am roughing it. I hope you have checked your answer. If you have not checked, you pause the video and complete it, okay. Now we will find out the perimeter of a rectangle. Now perimeter of a rectangle is also very easy, but I am doing it for you because you will get confused between in multiplication. So here the perimeter, the formula for perimeter of a rectangle is 2 multiplied by L plus B. Now here L is given. What is L? This 2 3 upon 4 centimeter. So 2 multiply, every time you have to keep this numbers, you don't skip this thing. So 2 3 upon 4 centimeter plus 7 upon 6 centimeter. Now here also you can, as you can see that this number is mixed number, you have to convert it into improper. So 2 multiply by 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 8 plus 3, 11. So it is 11 upon 4 centimeter plus 7 upon 6 centimeter. This is your final part. Now you have to find out, because both the denominator are different and they are called unlike fractions. So you have to find out the LCM. So LCM is equal to 6 4 6 2 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1 3 3 1 1. So 4, answer is 12. So LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. So now in both the denominator you have to, both the fraction denominator you have to bring 12. So 2 multiply by, now here 11 upon 4. 4 ને કોની જોડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ તો ડિનોમિનેટરમાં 12 આવે 3 જોડે, તો ઉપર પણ 3 જોડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું. 6 ને કોની જોડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરીએ તો નીચે 12 આવે 2 જોડે, તો ઉપર પણ 2 જોડે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવાનું. નાવ 2 મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય, હવે બંનેમાં નીચે 12 આવી ગયું છે. 4 3s are 12, 11 3s are 33 પ્લસ 6 2s are 12 અને 7 2s are 14. બરાબર, આપણી પાસે આ બંને નંબર આવી ગયા છે. નાઉ યુ હેવ ટુ, વોટ યુ હેવ ટુ ડુ ઇઝ યુ હેવ ટુ એડ ધીસ નંબર. સો સી, વેન ધ ડિનોમિનેટર ઇઝ સેમ, you have to just add the number 433 plus 14, then answer will be 47 is the answer. 47 upon 12 is the answer. Now again તમે પ્રીવિયસ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં જોયું હતું એ જ રીતે 2 અને 12 એ બંનેમાંથી કોમન ફેક્ટર્સ કાઢવાના છે. સો 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. તો અહીંયા શું આવે છે? 47 upon 6 is the answer of the perimeter. What is the answer? 47 upon 6. હવે તમને પ્રીવિયસમાં મળ્યો છે 177 upon 20. અગર તમે ટ્રાયંગલ ABE નો આન્સર જોશો તો ઇટ વિલ બી 177 upon 20. હવે તમારે આ બંને પેરીમીટર ઓફ અ ટ્રાયંગલ એન્ડ પેરીમીટર ઓફ ધી રેક્ટેંગલ બંનેને કમ્પેર કરવાનું છે. તો આનો આન્સર છે 177 upon 20, આનો આન્સર છે 47 upon 6 centimeter. Now we need to compare. I will give you 2 minutes time to write this down. Now if you are comparing perimeters of both the figure, then perimeter of a triangle and that is triangle, okay, and perimeter of a rectangle. So perimeter of a triangle is 177 upon 20 centimeter and perimeter of a rectangle is 47 upon 6 centimeter. That means you have to compare both the fraction. Now to compare both the fraction, children, it is very easy. I have already taught you how to compare. 20. If you have remember, I told you to do cross multiplication like this to compare both the fraction. That means 177 multiplied by 6, 20 multiplied by 47 or 47 multiplied by 20. That is called cross multiplication. You can do it by like this, okay. So when you are doing cross multiplication, you can use the pencil to do this, okay. So I am multiplying 177 multiplied by 6, 7 6 are 2 4 6 4. So answer is 1062, and here 47 twos are you have to do, and then you just add 1 0. So 940. So which one is bigger? This one is bigger. So here when you cross multiply, the answer will come here, it will be this. So perimeter of a triangle is bigger than the perimeter of the rectangle. This is your answer. Right. Okay. So 177 upon 20 is bigger than the 47 upon 6. So this is your answer, and you can say like this. That's the end of today's session. Tomorrow also we will continue with the maths only. First we will complete few exercises of the maths, then we will continue with the new subject. Thank you so much.